This apple is so good. I love apples.
Hello, everyone. My name is Olivia.
And I am David. I am eating a delicious... Ouch!
Oh, David, are you okay?
Yes, I am fine. It is nothing.
You said ouch. That is not nothing.
It is just a small pain. Very small.
He is holding his cheek. He is not fine.
I am fine.
David, you have a toothache.
No, I do not have a toothache.
Your tooth hurts.
Maybe a little bit.
We must go to the dentist.
What? No dentist.
David, you need to see the dentist.
I do not need the dentist.
Your tooth hurts.
It will stop. Tomorrow it will be fine.
Today, we talk about the dentist.
I do not like this topic.
Many people are scared of the dentist.
I am not scared.
You are not scared?
No, I am brave. I love the dentist.
You love the dentist?
Yes, the dentist is my friend.
So we can go now?
No, not today. I am very busy today.
Busy? What are you doing?
I have to wash my cat.
You don't have a cat, David.
I do. I have a new cat today.
David,
Okay, no cat, but I have to clean my house.
your house is clean.
I have to cook dinner.
It is 10 in the morning.
I cook slowly.
David, we are going to the dentist now.
But,
Now.
okay.
Let's learn some words. Easy words.
I don't want to learn.
First word, tooth. One tooth. Two teeth. Tooth.
My tooth hurts.
Next word, dentist. A doctor for teeth. Dentist.
I don't like the dentist.
You said the dentist is your friend.
I lied.
I know, David. Next word, scared. When you are afraid. Scared.
I am not scared.
He is scared.
I am not.
Next word, brave. When you are not scared. Strong. Brave.
I am brave. Very brave.
We will see. Last word, pain. When something hurts. Pain.
I have pain in my tooth.
That is why we go to the dentist.
I know.
So we went to the dentist.
I did not want to go.
But we went. Now we are in the waiting room.
The waiting room is the worst room.
David is sitting. He looks nervous.
I am not nervous.
His legs are shaking.
They are not shaking.
David, your legs are shaking.
Okay, maybe a little bit. What was that?
That is the dentist. He is working.
That sound. That terrible sound.
It is just a tool, a small tool.
I must go.
What? Where?
I forgot my wallet. I must go home.
Your wallet is in your pocket.
Oh, yes, it is.
Sit down, David.
But I need to...
Sit.
Okay. There it is again.
David, relax.
I cannot relax. That sound is scary.
It is not scary. It is normal.
Do you hear that sound? That is the sound of pain.
It is not pain. The dentist helps you.
But it sounds like pain.
You are being dramatic.
I am being realistic.
The nurse calls. David, the dentist is ready.
No,
Yes, let's go.
I don't want to go.
David, your tooth hurts.
It doesn't hurt anymore.
Does it hurt?
Yes, don't touch it.
So it does hurt.
Yes, it hurts.
Then let's go.
Okay, I am brave. I am brave. I am brave.
More words. Let's learn.
Okay,
Wait. To stay, not move. Wait.
wait. To stay, not move. Wait.
Run. To move fast. Run.
I want to run away.
You will not run away.
I know.
Noise. A sound. Loud sound. Noise.
The dentist makes scary noises.
Open, not closed. Open.
Open. Open what?
Open your mouth.
Oh no.
Mouth. Where your teeth are. Mouth.
I don't want to open my mouth.
You must open your mouth.
I know.
Okay, everyone. Time for a break.
Yes, break. Good.
We are taking a coffee break.
I don't want coffee. I want to go home.
David, you will be fine.
Will I?
Yes, the dentist will help you.
Okay.
Okay, listeners, we have a question for you.
A question?
Do you like the dentist?
Nobody likes the dentist.
Nobody likes the dentist?
Everyone is scared.
Or are you brave?
I am brave.
Sure, David. Very brave.
I am.
Okay, listeners, tell us, are you scared or brave? We want to know.
And tell us, is the dentist your friend?
Good question.
Because the dentist is not my friend.
Okay, let's take our break. We will be back soon. And we are back.
Are we?
Yes, now we are in the dentist's room.
I don't like this room.
David is standing at the door. He doesn't want to come in.
The room is too white, too clean, too scary.
It is just a room, David.
It is a scary room.
Hello, David. Come in. Sit down.
Do I have to?
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming. Slowly.
David sits in the big chair.
This chair is not comfortable.
It is a dentist chair.
It is a torture chair.
It is not torture. Okay, David. Open your mouth, please. Bigger, please. David, open big.
I am opening big.
You are opening like this. Ah.
Yes?
You need to open like this. Ah.
That is too big.
That is normal. Good. Very good.
Ankle.
The dentist picks up a small tool, a mirror.
What?
It is just a mirror to look at your tooth.
I will just look. It won't hurt. Help! Help me!
David, he didn't even touch you yet.
Yes, I did. The dentist only touched with the mirror, very soft. It hurt!
It did not hurt. Relax.
I am relaxing.
Okay, David, I see the problem. You have a small hole in your tooth.
A hole?
A cavity, a hole.
How big?
Very small. I can fix it.
Fix it? Ow!
I will give you medicine first, so you don't feel pain.
No pain?
No pain. You will be comfortable.
Comfortable?
See? It will be fine.
Okay.
The dentist gives David medicine, a small shot in his mouth.
Shot?
You will feel a small pinch. Ready?
Wait!
1, 2, 3, done.
That's it?
That's it. Now we wait 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yes, the medicine needs time to work.
Okay.
5 minutes later.
Olivia, something is wrong.
What is wrong?
My mouth feels funny.
That is the medicine. It is working.
But I cannot feel my lips.
That is normal.
This is not normal. My face is big?
Your face is not big.
Your lips are huge.
They are not huge. They are numb.
What is numb?
Numb means you cannot feel.
I cannot feel my mouth.
That is good. Now the dentist can work. The dentist fixed David's tooth. Now we are done.
I feel great.
What?
I feel great.
He is trying to say great, but his mouth doesn't work.
My mouth is funny.
Yes, your mouth is very funny.
I cannot talk correctly.
No, you cannot.
I need water. I'm feisty.
I give David water.
Anku. Oh no!
You spilled water on your shirt.
I cannot drink. My mouth doesn't work.
This is the funniest part of the dentist.
This is not funny. I'm wet.
It is funny.
My shirt is wet. My mouth is numb. This is terrible.
You sound like a baby.
I am not a baby.
I am not a baby. Terrible.
Stop laughing.
Let's review the last words.
Okay.
Fix. To make better. To repair. Fix.
I fixed my tooth.
Hole. An empty space. A cavity. Hole.
I had a hole in my tooth.
Medicine. Something to help you. To stop pain. Medicine.
The medicine made my mouth funny.
Numb. When you cannot feel. Numb.
My lips are numb. I cannot feel them.
Brave. Strong. Not scared. Brave.
I was brave.
Were you?
Yes, very brave.
You tried to run away.
But I didn't. I stayed. That is brave.
Okay, David, you were brave. Okay, everyone, that is the end of today's podcast.
The end. Finally.
Today, we learned about the dentist.
I do not like the dentist.
But the dentist helped you.
Yes, the dentist helped me.
And you were brave.
I was brave.
So remember, the dentist is your friend.
The dentist is not my friend.
Okay, but the dentist helps you.
Okay, the dentist helps.
David, can you whistle?
Whistle? Yes, I can whistle.
Show us. You cannot whistle.
Why not?
Because your mouth is numb.
This is terrible.
He cannot whistle. This is so funny.
I give up. I cannot whistle. I cannot drink. I cannot talk.
But your tooth is fixed.
Yes, my tooth is fixed.
And that is what matters.
Yes, that is what matters.
Okay, everyone. Thank you for listening.
Anku for listening.
Remember, go to the dentist.
Even if you are scowled.
Be brave.
Like me, I was brave.
Sure, David. Very brave.
I was brave.
Okay, goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and brush your teeth.
Goodbye.